Hello everyone. Now today let us discuss about the karmic number 4. Okay, the importance of numbers is even an astrologer when he is about to open the chart and check, you should always look at the date of birth and try to see for these special numbers, karmic numbers. You can be rest assured, whatever may be the astrological chart, whenever the karmic number 4 appears, there is going to be struggle in the person's chart, either the first half or the second half. That again depends on whether the karmic number is the psychic number or the destiny number, the number 4. Like psychic number, as you all know, it is the sum of the date, like 13th, 4th, 22nd, 31st, and destiny number or life path number is the sum of all the numbers. When you add the entire date of birth, it adds up to a single digit 4. Okay, this are depending on this, either there is going to be struggle in the initial part or the later part. If the psychic number is 4, then usually people struggle in the first part of their lives, and if the psychic life path number is 4, then they will suffer in the second half of the um, their lives, that's for sure. Okay, there's going to be some amount of struggle, some amount of dissatisfaction in the per person's life. Okay, that's even before opening the chart, astrological chart, you can be rest assured that there's going to be some problem. So the moment you see 4, you can look for some kind of trouble, some kind of anomaly, some kind of problem in the astrological chart. Okay, generally people who have 4 in the first part of their psychic number 4 or luck number 4, they struggle in the initial part of their life. Okay, generally their education is not that good, their father's career will not be that good. Okay, they would be living in poverty, they will struggle a lot for education, and when they come of age into the youth, they will have a major love affair break also. Okay, which will affect them very badly. Some of them even get into drinking and other kind of addictions. Okay, these mainly creates problem in career. They are never satisfied in their current job, they shift jobs, they shift careers, they jump from one line to another. Okay, it's not that they are not intelligent or hardworking, but nothing gets set. Okay, they don't get recognition at one place. Again, that depends on the complete astrological chart. Many of the celebrities have 13 as their number, 4 as the date of birth. They do pretty well, but there'll be some kind of struggle, I'm telling in general, statistically speaking, with empirical data. So these kind of people have some problem in the career. Okay, they keep jumping jobs, they keep changing careers, they're into sales, they have a lot of target pressure. They perform well, but still they don't get the recognition. uh, they are politically they are not aligned, somehow the luck doesn't help them. Okay, and they end up shifting the job, they go to a new job, they think that this job is going to be better, but again the same thing repeats. Generally till the age of 35, 40, they struggle. It's not that they are not successful, they are very successful. Okay, 4 is a very practical number, it being Rahu, it makes them very practical and hardworking. But they also acquire land, property, name and fame, everything will be there, but the struggle will be there. It will not come that easily for them. Okay, they really have to work hard, and generally after 35, 40, they settle very well. Okay, and they're successful for rest of their the second half of their life. I mean, when their psychic number is 2, if it is a destiny number is 4, then the first part will be okay, second part will have struggle. Okay, so that depends on that, so we cannot be exactly sure. Again, we'll have to check the chart also, but generally there will be some amount of problem, some amount of struggle will be there. Okay, if the initial the psychic number is 4, then there will be struggle in education. Okay, they will really work hard, but they will not get the good ranks and all, though they are intelligent. Okay, out of all these numbers like 4, 13, 22, and 30, 31, 13 is considered the worst in the karmic number. There's a lot of karmic debt from the past janmas which are carried forward, which you have to suffer and struggle and nullify it. So whenever there's a 13 number, you have to be little alert. It's not a general rule, but it's an indication, but it's a strong indication. You can be rest assured.